Is it true that premium fuel always makes your car faster? Or that you must warm up your engine for 10 minutes every morning? Let's bust some popular Kenyan car myths once and for all. First up, premium fuel equals better performance. Not always. Unless you're driving a high-compression performance engine like those in luxury or sports cars, regular fuel is just fine. For most cars on Kenyan roads, switching to premium only empties your wallet, not your tank. Myth number 2. Change your oil every 3,000 kilometers. That's old school thinking. Modern engines and synthetic oils can go way longer, often 7,500 kilometers or even more. Always check your owner's manual. Trust me, it knows your car better than your neighbor does. And the classic, warm up your engine for 10 minutes before driving. Nope. Today's engines are designed to be driven within seconds. Unless you're in freezing conditions, not exactly common in Kenya. Idling just wastes fuel and pollutes the air. Let's hit some quick-fire truths. Follow your manufacturer's manual. It's your car's Bible. Check your tire pressure regularly. It saves you fuel, money, and keeps you safer. Expensive parts aren't always better. Sometimes the best fit is the one recommended by your car's maker. If you've believed any of these, don't worry. You're not alone. Stick around with Rev and Shift for more real-world motoring truths. Shop smarter through our trusted links in the description. And if you want expert advice, book a consult. Details below. See you on the road.